Hey and welcome to another Gyckoms video. If you haven't heard about Gyckoms Interiors, we are an interior design company based in Thika. You call us when you want to install gypsum ceilings, have electrical work done, painting of interior and exterior walls, or having kitchen cabinets built. Speaking of kitchen cabinets, on this video, you'll watch one of Fundis construct simple kitchen cabinets for the break room of the commercial building we worked on in Wajir. We built out simple cabinets, we placed one cabinet on one wall, additionally we built out the cabinets around the sink. A pro tip for anyone constructing cabinets, it's best to invest in the right tools. From our experience, having these tools enables you to work more efficiently, we save time, and the cabinets we realize have excellent finishes. You are watching the fully prepared boards that are going to be used in the cabinets. In our design for the cabinet, we incorporated a drawer. The fundi cuts out the boards needed and joins them using MDF screws to realize the drawer. We went with simple drawer sliders to make the drawers more functional and easier to use. The next process of the cabinet construction is the making of cabinet doors. The fundi bores out cavities along the edge of the board where the hinges will sit. After removing the sawdust, the fundi attaches the hinges using screws and then attaches the doors to the cabinetry. The last thing to install are the cabinet handles. That was a quick look at a simple kitchen cabinet construction. We hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like if you did, and do consider subscribing if you haven't. When you subscribe or leave a like, it really helps our channel grow, and we really do want it to grow. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.